What's up, everybody? Gonna be doing some team of the year players real quick, mainly because I have extra money and just why not? Just to end them for the final. I'm assuming the final packs of Madden Mobile. Oh yeah, 96 Clay Matthews, and that looks like a team of the year or team of the week player. Touch it, I don't know really what. Alright, we do have hold on. Wait, Earl Thomas. That's not that bad of a pack. That's pretty good. Bruce Irvin, pretty good. Team of the week. Do not get a team of the year player. So we did get a Bruce Irvin. On a third pack. Do not get a team of the year player, and our team of the week is Eddie Royal, pretty bad one. So that pack wasn't very good. The last pack. Dumerville. Wish that was a team of the... I had 90 Andrew Luck and a Watt pick 6. So that's what we got. We got a few elites. It's not that bad. And my next video will probably be next Madden Mobile. So thanks for watching.